What's up, everybody? We are back in the place where we are testing every single mask on Amazon, and today we are looking at the JZ mask. I don't know if it has anything to do with the wrapper, but it's called the JCJZ, so I'm going to assume it is, just so that he'll come after them. Let's open this up and put it in the test. JCJZ, and then it's got like a little COVID flex like coming around. I love it. Weird model number, TB02. I can't open this. This is, I mean, I like the overwrap here because it makes me feel like it's, you know, clean, but like, you really need scissors to open this up. All right. Oh, wow, look at this. And then it's sealed on the inside too. Oh, double sealed for your protection. Let's put it in the clamp. Now this is claiming to be a KN95, and I can see right away that it's not. And if you've seen 1.5 of these videos that we've done, you're gonna know why, but I'll tell all the newcomers. First, let's talk about this machine. It's the reason you should be here, not my charming personality. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Test. What we're doing is shooting tons of salt NaCl through this mask, testing the filter, and this will give me a filtration efficiency. The 95 in KN95 means 95% filtration. So if this isn't showing 95%, you know it's not a good mask. But I can already tell you that it's not a KN95 just by looking at the mask. KN95 needs to have 3 things: the manufacturer name, needs to say KN95, and what standard it's held to. So the reason why the standard has the name on there is so that, you know, these people can't just make up some brand name and shove it in any old box, which is what happened here. Breathability is over 200 though. You really want it to be below 150. And so this is already like not turning out to be a great mask. I'll check the ear loops one at a time. That's great. That's actually really good. Construction's pretty solid on that. The nose wire seems pretty good. I've stretched it out so it fits my face now. It is a little, like, it's a little wide. I don't like that as much. It doesn't give me as much room to breathe in here. I'd like a little bit more. And the smells, it kind of smells like a recently sterilized, like, operating room or something like that, which is kind of weird. Doesn't make me feel great, but I've smelled worse masks too. But does any of that matter if it doesn't protect you? Again, the 95 in KN95 means what? Say it, everybody. 95%. So it's got to beat at least 95%. Survey says 99. Great job. 99.015. 99.015. Pretty good mask from a fabric perspective. Breathability is really on the high side. I would choose another mask. Sorry, Jay-Z. These guys who are using your name, they didn't make the best mask in the world. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you ended up not buying this mask because of this review, or buying this mask because of this review, give me a like or subscribe, or don't. I don't even check. I do. I check every one. I'll catch you on the next test. Thank you.